Alright, welcome. So in this video, what I'm going to be doing is sharing with you a few things you must know or do before you create your funnel. So before you think about designing your funnel, putting together the different pieces, of course, you need to know the different pieces, right, that will make up your sales funnel. Alright, so you watching this video, I want to believe that you already have a product to sell, or you're thinking about a product to sell. You have a manufacturer you're working with, your drop shipping, however it is, you already have the product. So the first thing that you must know is the offer. Okay, a lot of people ignore this part and just jump into just creating their pages, because they think that that's the most important part of their funnel. No, the most important part of your funnel is the offer or the offers. Okay, now in your funnel you can have different offers. Okay, and of course we're going to be talking about that in this video, but the first thing you must consider is the offer. What will you give your customer? Okay, what are they getting from you by landing on your page? And remember, your offer is not your product. Now, if you don't really know how to put together an offer in this channel or on this channel, I have a few videos that talks a little bit about creating your very first offer and what it takes for you to create an offer. Right now, once you have the offer figured out, or you have your offers figured out, because you can have more than one offer, the next thing that you want to understand or figure out is your traffic source. Okay, now this is all important because you really want to plan ahead. You don't want to be like every other person who just jump in and start doing things. Okay, you want to figure out what's going to be your traffic source, right? Are you going to do solo ads? Are you going to do advertorials? Are you going to do Facebook social media advertising? Is it YouTube? Is it Google search? Right? So before you, and what is going to help you to figure this out is understanding your customer journey. All right, most customers are just going to go ahead and search for you online, so that is more like intent traffic. And some persons, they are not going to search for you, so you have to go out there and find a way, right? It could be through lead magnets or however you want to do it, and bring them into your sales funnel. Okay, now the next thing you want to do is, once you have the traffic figured out, is what's going to be your first offer, right? What is going to be the front end offer? Okay, now you have that is if you have I hope you guys can see this. That is if you have more than one offer, right? You have multiple offers, right? What's going to be the front end offer? So for some persons, they want to have an ascension funnel, so they have a front end offer. It could be a low ticket product. It doesn't matter if you sell physical products or digital products. My focus is truly on people selling physical products because that is my industry. That is why I major on. Right, so you can have a low ticket product on the front end and sell something that is of high ticket at the back end. Okay, so you can have something that you sell later at the back end, but the front end, you have to figure out the offer for the front end. And of course, you want to figure out what you want to have as your upsell. Okay, upsell or downsell. Okay, so it's like you walking into Domino's, right? And when you order for the pizza, as you're about to walk out, it's you want chips, right? That's an upsell. Okay, and you say, they offer you a larger size of a pizza, and you say, no, I can get this now, and they offer you a smaller size pizza, right? That is a downsell. Okay, so you want to figure out your offer, your traffic, what's going to be so of course, once you know your offers, you still need to know what are you going to use as your front end offer, your upsells and downsells, and what you want to have as the back end. Okay, your back end offer, because really you want to find as or you want to make sure that you make as much money from your customer as possible. Okay, when someone is in the process of buying, you want to ensure that you can retain them and keep them in that mode until they say, oh, I'm done buying, I'm done spending money with you. Okay, and of course, aside all of this, you also need to figure out how you are going to retarget people who fall out of every point. So your retargeting, okay, your retargeting is important. Okay, how are you going to retarget the people who are going to fall out at different points of your funnel? Okay, because not everyone who gets to see your front end offer is going to take it. Not everyone who sees your upsell is going to take it. Not everyone who sees your back end offer is going to take it. Right. So how are you going to do the follow-up? How are you going to do your retargeting? Now you can do your retargeting either through social media, through so that's like follow-up. All right, it's very important part of your funnel. Okay, so it could be that you're doing it through emails, and emails is one thing that you must do, guys. All right, then it could be through SMS. Okay, yeah, I've talked about social media. So social media, email, SMS, these are three ways that you can actually get people back to complete the sales process. Okay, now once you have all of these figured out, the next thing you want to choose is a tool that you're going to use to set up this entire architecture that you built, right? So you have your architecture, you know what's your front end offer, your downsell offer, your upsell offer, your back end offer, and have a system. The kind of emails you're sending, SMSs you're sending for the follow-up and all that. The tool that you use matters a lot, and that is why Lazycom makes it all easy for you to have all of these things created, right? You get to have templates that you can work with, your upsell offers, your downsell offers, right? And Lazycom also gives you the ability for you to retarget your customer through SMSs and through emails, all right? And not just that, one thing that will make your funnel convert as much as possible is the loading speed of your pages. Okay, and that is one thing that Lazycom also help you with. Right, so with Lazycom you can build fast loading funnel pages. All right, if you want to check out Lazycom, just go to the description of this video and you will be able to check it out. You can get started for as low as $1. All right, as low as $1 you are up and running. And guess what, guys, when you sign off to that plan, to any plan, if about either the startup plan or the business plan, you also gain access to a free training that walks you through how to create irresistible offers, or what I call mirror offers. Okay, so, and guess what, you get it all for just $1. Okay, so if you want to check it out, just go to the description of this video and you will be able to check that out. Take care.